In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to chat on Trello with our full 2025 guide. Trello is a fantastic tool for organizing projects, but some users find themselves puzzled by how to communicate within it. Unlike other platforms, Trello doesn't have a dedicated chat feature. Instead, it focuses on enhancing collaboration through comments on cards. By understanding how to use these comments effectively, you can facilitate clear and cohesive team communication. Let's dive right in and explore the primary way to chat on Trello. First, you'll want to open the card you wish to discuss. Cards are like the building blocks of your Trello board, holding all the essential details of your task or project. Once you have the card open, scroll down to the activity section. This is where all the magic happens. This section acts as the thread for your ongoing discussions related to specific tasks or projects. You'll find a box labeled "Write a comment," waiting for you to type in your thoughts. Simply click on it and start composing your message. This feature allows team members to share updates, ask questions, or provide feedback right where the action is happening. It's an efficient way to keep all communication organized and relevant to the task at hand. A really useful aspect of Trello is the ability to use @mentions. By typing the symbol followed by your team member's name, you can tag them directly in your comment. This ensures that they receive a notification, drawing their attention to your message quickly and efficiently. It's a great way to ensure your communication is noticed and acted upon promptly. Once you're satisfied with your comment, click Send to post it. This straightforward action effectively conveys your message to the team, keeping everyone aligned and informed. Here are a couple of tips to enhance how you use comments in Trello. You can attach files, GIFs, or even insert emojis into your comments. These additions can significantly improve clarity, convey the right tone, or simply make your messages a bit more engaging and fun. Also remember that all comments are visible to everyone who has access to your board unless you're working on a private board. This transparency helps maintain open lines of communication across your team. By using these methods to communicate on Trello, you can keep discussions relevant, organized, and accessible to the whole team at any time. This approach not only simplifies tracking project-related conversations, but also fosters a collaborative working environment. And there you have it, a straightforward and effective way to chat on Trello. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.